name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing BOXYCHARM, the main box for March 2020. Okay. It looks interesting, guys. Let's see what's within. Again, I don't see the BOXYCHARM card that normally tells you what the theme is and the pricings for each of the products, which is odd. It's like the second month in a row that it's done that, and I'm not sure why. Maybe it's to conserve paper. I don't know. I will just post somewhere here on the screen what the price points for each of the products that I received. The first thing that I noticed right off the jump is something from Sutra, and this is their 19 mm or 0.75 inch mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. I certainly appreciate this because I will be using it, and when I travel it's definitely going to be in the bag. Next item in my March 2020 bag is from a company called Project Beauty Hairgurt. Instead of yogurt, it's hairgurt, and this is almond honey intense repair yogurt hair mask with prebiotics, okay, quinoa, and super botanicals to beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. And then this on the bottom that this is probably full size, 118 ml, which is 4 fluid ounce. I always can use and appreciate a decent hair mask, and if it's devoid of any harmful ingredients that are going to further deteriorate or harm the hair shaft or the hair's integrity, if it's devoid of that stuff, I'm all for that. So I'll probably use it this weekend and see how that goes. Okay, next thing up is from Kat Von D or KVD Beauty, whatever it's calling itself nowadays. This is the Lash Liner, and it's in Trooper Black. I mean, look how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. It also can be used as a weapon. So let's just, this is beautiful. And that's what it looks like. The point. It's just, so you can see. The next thing in here is Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. It looks like a lip gloss. Very pretty. Made of plastic. It's like a pink gloss, which is going to take me a bit to undo because the protective covering is very on there. That's the point. For some reason, it looks kind of like a brush. Can you see that? Let me apply it here real quick. Yeah, it is like a brush. It's definitely a brush. And it's like a clear, pale pink gloss. That's definitely a brush. Okay. To my, for a moment I thought it was nail polish. But it goes on clear. I wish I had a taste or a flavor though. There's no fragrance to it, which is nice. And finally, last but certainly not least, is the Living in Color palette, which evokes such a 90s vibe. If anybody was a kid in the 90s, do you remember the show In Living Color? So this particular brand, which is from Hank and Henry, and it tells me it's a cruelty-free brand, at least here. Okay, this is what the box looks like. It's almost like a jewel case, and it opens like so. And you see the colors right in there. Are those gorgeous? Oh, what? I can't wait to photograph this. What did I think of this month's box? Basically, I like that it was hair focused. I would appreciate having something with skincare as well focused. And you know, it includes a little bit of hair stuff and makeup stuff. It includes some for my lips. Am I a big gloss person? No. So I know I didn't check the box saying that I wanted this to come frequently. I have gone in to make some changes to my preference profile in hopes that the next box will be a little more inspired. This to me was kind of so-so, even though it did touch on the hair and the makeup. I don't know. It doesn't, I don't know why it's not hitting me more strongly. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.